Reggae!
Yeah, man, I must see this before, man.
Them never get it so yet.
And then might never see it again.
Remember me tell you, watch out.
Yes,
Hook it up.
Cock out to you, Freddie McGregor.
Inside Freddie
What the
McGregor.
match I'd say.
So see it, yeah?
Bass Odyssey.
Whoa. Everybody want to hear from early. Watch out, we start the one here.
Bass Odyssey in the Lord.
What you do right now?
Chewing in. Bass Odyssey in the Lord.
Oh, God.
Chewing in. Cocotte in the Lord.
Give me some more for them parties. Just study on my deaf myself.
McGregor in the Lord.
You know?
Oh, yeah. Chewing in. Sweet.
Over the years, they don't like Bass Odyssey. But guess what, man?
Why so many songboys wanna see Bass Odyssey? Stop murdering songs.
That a mercy.
You know what?
Bass Odyssey.
Tampa.
Oh God. The rise up this morning. Thanks to see the rising sun.
Warm up your blood first. Warm up.
Even when it's dawning, Odyssey go play another dog on number one.
Sammy dance for that.
Cause the time is so perilous, and the sound and clashing gets so dangerous. In this time we see no sound boys to trust.
Tonight in a Tampa, you know what?
But it's so easy.
Over the years, I'm BSS are killing more soul in the business. Yo!
Alright, let me hear a brother man.
Over the years,
Scream.
no more no kill soul like this.
Bass Odyssey coming true.
Let me tell you the something, you know what?
Many did try to test the big bad Bass Odyssey sound, yes.
Oh!
Many will try, but I know they're doomed to die.
What them do?
Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his money, yeah.
You know what?
Thinking that's what it takes to throw Bass Odyssey down.
Tell them!
Bass Odyssey kill sound and have the world dance so jumping.
Oh!
Rock it from now till.
As a matter of fact, Tampa, listen to that song.
Rastafari, sound why your life gone.
Yo!
Far, far away.
One of the greatest selector will ever play a song.
Screen you lead them with the play.
You know that dance?
Send them a cemetery to stay.
All the way up here, son, is to put you under your lights. So, go, so, go, so. Go, so. Hey.
So why your life gone? From your chest, be a Odyssey.
War is in the ear again. Tampa. Like our day tonight, tell them this.
Here I come, and here I am. Home must salute the return of Father.
So we say, what do you know? So we now hack like we say, salute the dog. If we tell you about you, hold on. You see we?
But you become a queen, it's in the for me. Well, in another party, just beside I come.
When some boy go like them bother you, on internet battle. Oh, and all kind of things this guy preaching. Copper shot reaching, on him dead. Yo!
It's your name, motherfucking nigga, you know to that's it, right?
Not like this. Son boy, let me tell you this straight. Bass Odyssey, I not kill you.
Man from jungle, see you, Portmore, Lenny, Squinching, Tino One, Clavity, Troy Tan.
So this is it. Smoke your herb, get thanks and praise it. Make we think constructive and brave.
Yeah.
Run it through your Sabini, man. Everybody in a town, listen to song.
The wickedest time when the guns start back and select a boy start the dance. Get a funeral, them a get a body bag. Yeah,
I tell you,
the whole world like private Bass Odyssey. That's why no sound boy can't kill we. This is
and Israel got that name in the Bass Odyssey. I look at come back. What is?
How would you feel if you come in at the dance and you start? Bass Odyssey big and
Yo! Every night them come at church. By internet. When you see them, tell them.
And then we can't take the bloom bloom, ratatata blam blam. This a this sig, why kill another jump and can't take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam.
Look more Addies, guess what we're gonna do?
Let them know.
Bust me guns on deck tonight. Someone too fucking bright. Yo!
Me rings the Glock in your head.
This is Doulas and Bounty Killer.
See now,
See it here.
Who no listen to party? Me no long talker. Fi me gun no charter. Your blood a run like water.
I want to touch this.
Guess what me know?
Check this, man.
Big gun man rise, wanna make no nice.
You this the bass and this you get the shot between your eyes.
You know.
Your life depend the line, the fast it just I realize them get gunshot to the brain.
And the first half hour.
Send trips, you know I instant day.
You know.
We use the black blunt, just send you your poop and egg. And use a Dubplate, your chop select and I am chase them get gunshot to them.
You see we?
Bass and the sim and the sound kill them.
We are sound stopper. We punk sound.
Sound that can't cross the supper.
Yeah, minute coaches. Tell Addies this man.
So me I say, big 45.
Addies.
Sure. Once again we kill a soundboy.
Me I tell you.
After all we play and
Tampa, watch it.
all the emptiness inside it. Somebody look what you become.
Show me guys up. Yo.
Boy, for the night.
You have some new selector for Addies.
For the night.
Kingpin on the next one.
Some boy, you're no good.
You should not test me
This is sound. You selected them a clown. No good, no good.
What you tell them, Maris?
You're no good. All you do is jump up and down, and you can't.
Over the years we are killing so now we not stop no matter what God.
Oh, yes.
You know why?
Hey, this a sound clash time. Selector got die and a gunshot a bust up in a dirty King Addies head tonight.
Yo!
Oh,
Why you
hey,
know?
King Addies, it no make no sense you ball. Cause any dub you play, it can't stop you jumping from far.
Run me and tell them.
Oh, hey, then you no see your bass Addies. Hey, you lock the big guns out the street.
Like our Santana artists that come from Romeo.
Represent the time, kill them, yo. Hey, yeah.
Who?
Yo, bass Addies.
I don't come a sword war. Go so. Over there, son.
Bass Addies, kill King Addies again.
Oh!
Them dead with no goodbyes and a single doubles play. If Kingpin this gunshot boss he made.
Everybody first away. The first one. I know we are playing first. You know what I said?
Bass Addies, he have a killer in the business. Killer book.
I remember Addies from back in the days.
Squingy kill you already. Worm kill you once more.
Yo!
About like bass of this. The sexy marks in here.
You know what I want? I don't want some bad tune. Put your gun on the blood clot here. Go so. Hey.
Odyssey guns them a back.
Yo!
So dirty King Addies I get locked off. Oh Lord, bullet tear them body
Lord
parts.
God.
Odyssey murder jump and cause we are the boss.
Some go
Oh
so them.
Lord, King Addies dead in a Tampa.
Yo!
And the whole wide world can see.
What on 11 o'clock, but then I want studio. A voice of Florida artist for the people. Them have an artist down here named Bossy. All the young youth of Florida, wanna know them song?
Yeah. Zenby, Islander, Tampa, Addies, Bumbo clot them. Joey, you know the right thing stand. Addies I go kill base of this blood clot. Why you go dead, we go turn them in a gun. The guns them clipping like banana. Send sound to the funeral parlor. Now hear them how everything I lay down. Everything that stretch out from ground. Addies them start laughing.
Me say me a young youth. And me a try make my name in life. You have to do that. My goals them high. My goals them high. You see if a boy tries to fight me out of life, one thing we tell them.
I'm gonna let Danny Jet. I'm Kingpin.
Popcorn!
You know what I'm saying? King Addies. Get to you to fulfill the dream. Bad man take
level. All you know you have to make it in a like 2 1 in a year, 2 1.
Get mama need. If I walk with my gun, Kingpin say food off the road. So, I can't violate.
Jump it here one.
Stop. Kingpin. I know King of this stand tall and still a make it.
Play some tune, man.
I know some boys say them bad and can't defeat the duo.
Where am I going like him a bad boy for one day, you know? Make blood clot worm this. Worm!
King Addies. You know time thumping about our box for leap.
Bad man now we are.
I guess I know. King Addies. Why you got berry? So we do walk with the berry. A1 man, so we no catch that disease.
You see tonight, beer badness, beer badness. Chop it.
King Addies.
Chop it.
On the street and speak out. I feel that somewhere. King Addies.
What we want tonight?
Need any seed.
No tune, man.
Now look at the bag of
This. Yeah, disgrace yourself. He's a compact, this far is a CD. And I'm out say, this is King Addies. And I'm out say, well, oh please, why them try challenge King Addies? Oh please, me a scale party fight squeeze. Oh please, and the light blow rain on the breeze. So you not go dead in a time like this. Me talk for lick your decks, come and jump in on the chest of Mr. Punk. Welcome and do your next best. Welcome and...
The dance nice. The vibes nice. People, we don't listen bass Odyssey, you know. Them love playback tune. We come up here a while ago and play one bounty killer and them come play it back. Last night we play a Garnet Silk and I tune for tune and them pussy them come play it back right after me. The boy them not no sense. Tune!
Scene.
Dust just served from overground now, well.
Mr. Melway, Tune! Early out!
He shall bow and every tongue shall tell you.
Tell them!
Jah is the highest. He shall bow and every tongue shall tell you. Jah is the highest. Father, thanks for all that you have done and for what you're doing now.
Level. Them say me have 2 more songs. Me find 2 nice, decent songs for the people. Play a tune.
Not the right for that.
Level. All who got dance long time, 2 1 in a year, you know this.
Long time what is I call you, but you don't want to come.
Why?
Some sounds I don't stop you coming and come.
Big up, King Addies. And them a rough like we.
Bad man, sir.
And them a tough like we.
That's Sonia.
King Addies is a bad man song with some good fashion kind of the plate.
Pull up. People. Him come up here and make this is my last song till the next round. So far I win 2 rounds, you know. People, let me tell you something. Him come up here and say King Addies bring a bus load of people, which is the furthest thing from the truth. I cannot help it if my sound have fans. I cannot help it if my sound bad. I cannot help it if nobody no like or no. John! Me say me love my sound. All of these fans we put on. Ready?
And it will always be my sound.
No matter what, pull up. Next round.
Yo! People! All right. It is your turn to judge the clash. It's not me. I want to know right now by a show of hands, who won the second round? Is it Bass Odyssey? Is it King Addies? All right. I can't tell by that. So right now, I don't want to hear no noise. I just want to see your hands right now. Is it Bass Odyssey? Put your hands up. Yo, cameraman, shine the light in the crowd right now. I want to see the people right now because I'm not going to be blamed for no fuckery right now. So I'm gonna ask you again. Is it Bass Odyssey? Hands in the air. Is it King Addies? Crutches. Yo. People, listen. I don't want to hear no noise because I am not going to be blamed for getting shit wrong. I'm going to say it in plain English. Listen to me carefully. People, we love you, but I don't want to hear no noise right now. Me just want to see some hands in the air right now. I'm going to ask you one last time. I want to see your hands because we can't get this shit wrong. If you believe that Bass Odyssey won, put your hands in the sky right now. If you believe that King Addies won, put your hands in the sky. That was very close, but I'm gonna have to give that to King Addies. I'm just trying to be fair. I am not trying to be biased. Don't boo me. Boo the sound that you don't like when they playing. Don't boo blood clot me because I don't be responsible for the fuckery. Right now, ins come the musical thing called Bass Odyssey. Right, for the record, hold on. I want to say for the record, first round was King Addies, am I correct? Second round was King Addies, am I correct? That's a little bit.
I'll be a blood clot nice, yeah, man. Be a pussy all nice. Yeah, Addies, my friend, so I expect anything for you. You know, blood clot long me I go and clash, I see them thing here happen. People, let me show you how bad blood clot Bass Odyssey be. And the last blood clot round that Addies play, pussy wall, and I stand up on the moment, I wall on the MC friend.
Yo, people, Mr. Wa go on down here now. But Vino man, watch his blood clot again. All who say Addies win the round, put on the 200 here. All who say Bass Odyssey 200 here. It's alright. It's alright. Them Addies but me a blood clot take care of me round. I'm not gonna suck no more. Me here Addies a play some customized song. Addies, when you cut a bag of song, yes. Me know what go on in Jamaica, no pay some little youth in the street. We tell you know what Bass Odyssey a cut. But guess what I do after me find out? Me just start inviting on my laptop and stop go to studio. So some song we play them don't know them. All who say me fi kill blood clot Addies with an artist where we boss, we squingy boss, we blood clot Bass Odyssey boss 200 a year. Rasta boy, me show you cut blood clot song.
Kingfish Addies. Tonight you're dead. I remember to represent for Bass Odyssey sound every time I see it. I'm the man Damon Dylan, Jim and the Worm. Murder them. Ace. Alright, following no. Hey, this is Romeo and Virgo.
Hey, the fuck with the sound by yourself. Put your hand in the air. Run that song. Open that song. Got the King Addies.
Hey, listen this.
Pussy world.
Young King Addies. You only go on like you bad when you die at Brooklyn. Tonight in at the clash and you can't win.
What?
King Addies, my
Hear a song, boy, Bass Odyssey.
Level. All who say Bass Odyssey win the road, they go so we have you under there. Turn up.
King Addies, you know rough.
King Addies, you know what? Wheel up. Let me kill the blood clot cabra. Hold on, top. Let me kill the blood clot cabra now. Me and the pussy them come up and play one cabra boat. Then find them body we don't know it. A juggling they come. No, all who come a juggling 200 here. Let me see. Who come a juggling 200 here? Who come a blood clot war 200 here? Make me kill the blood clot cabra then. No!
I want to know Bass Odyssey kill all. Where? I want to them boy, Alexi.
Level.
Billy, man.
Watch how me kill blood clots and turn you up. Don't think King Addies.
No, man, no. Them find killer boo without no head. Police can't count him out of lead. You get fire this base and this year. Anyone who no pussy call we near my day. The mountain.
All who say King Addies with them, go so.
Make Bumbo wall kingpin covered and afraid. No one come out of bed.
Stop now. Stop now. All who got a rat, take you out. If you have a rat, take you out of your pocket. If you have a cap on your head, take you off. Over there, sir. New York people, we don't fuck around. You know. All of the man them over there, so we come from New York on the body man, do so. Over there, sir. The man them straight to the right, there, so do so. Alright? Okay? Me not blood class and not more, you know. From here, so right back to Bumbo clot round here, so. All who never fuck about it, 200 blood clot here.
Yeah,
press.
let's go make him out of the king of.
Press play.
So that's see I live it every time.
Press play.
Yes, I see about all the while.
Stop.
Show them how you wicked.
You want around here, so.
Say that one. Oh, never suck no pussy, sissy. Hold up on the one in and the aim net, missy, sissy. Oh, never fuck no pussy, sissy. Hold up on the one in the aim. Man, we lotion, we not lotion, man. Man, we powder, we not powder.
The man them say batty boy for them. Put the two in the like so. Turn your back at him. Turn your.
No suck pussy, bad man, no fuck, bad and bad man, with a pop.
Level. Put that down, fix it. What me DJ name? All who say family bad and bounty killer, 200 there. All who say family bad and bounty killer, 200 the blood clot here. All who say bounty, bumbo clot, bad go so. What the bounty killer found them there? Bounty killer! Dirty Addies! Dirty Addies!
Man a bad man, so we no friend fish. You a twist and bully me kiddling fish. You me speak me man clear me no fish. Them a twist level.
All who say me fi kill blood clot Addies right, that's so do so. We have a 200 the bumbo clot here. They work with my fancy. They work with my fancy.
Yes, and they say, no gun with shot Odyssey them birds. All informer, sound
they work with my fancy.
No gun with shot wicked members. Odyssey back them gun them no pet neither. You to be your informer, that is not enough.
Me I win this around, a King Addies. Only in a blood clot problem, I'm gonna teeth you first, so tell you. Turn your kitty, turn it. What the gun is? Go on.
Jungle TG, New York, yes, how the system. We press sugar, we no press people, but a chat up confused man with so.
Stop! Stop now! Blood clot stop now. Addies. Me know. You don't have song. Me know a sound from a long time. But hear me. I'm not juggling dance with a war dance with them. Let me tell you this. A country me come from, me no come from town. Big up who come from town, can me rate the people me come from town. Cause when me if you go for a visa town, me have to go. But me is a blood clot countryman, me know about yam and banana, fried dumpling. Me know if you got thief, blood clot, orange. All who come from country to one of them, remember, don't them pussy in here. Press play, remember, don't you?
Fam, you never fuck about it for your band, for your band, for your band. Me want to hear gunshot in the ear now.
Level.
Here now, here now.
Anybody now we have no rate base of this. All the rate blood clot base of this. Put a 200 there, remember, see them right now.
Hear gunshot in the ear.
We are something that you jump song.
Here now.
We are something that you jump song. We have to see them like so. Over there, so start to him. Round that so. You want to talk and start?
Yeah. Yes, I be seen up and punk call, but the erase and fall. Rise one call, shot it to kill back.
Level. All who said every day, put your eye here like so.
Yo, beers are this. Yo, hold on on the trigger in a pussy, edit empty. Look at the trigger put it in this clip where you're 20. True, then you're Mr. Spence.
Mix, don't stop, mix. Mix the blood clot. That King Addies this. Tell them walk with them casket. Tonight them a go blood clot then. Gunshot up.
What's in a them blood clot head? The pussy them want stop for breath. Fuck the music man, kill them in blood.
Level. Yeah, go back up here, sir. King Addies over there, so. Me not tell the fans them, you know. Because the fans them rate we. And me rate the fans them, because them build in New York. So when me say I want to do this, I know the fans them not talk. All who say King Addies fit get lock off in here. Point over this. Everybody, you know for it? On the point blood clot over this, you know. And tell blood clot King Addies and me say, King people the wall out though. Tell them so me say. Tell them so me say. Me when you're there, me say.
Gasa out your mama, your mama, your mama. Bena. Do you know that face of the say ya?
What me there you know?
Bena, wine. You know say tonight face of the say I'll go kill you. Gasa out your mama, your mama, your.
Hold on. Me and the boy are coming here dance. I admire rum tight pants. You know say me a run forward of the dance here? I mean you know what kind of pants we're in. No, hold on. No, remember my comrade. I mean you know what kind of blood clad pants in her. Whether red or blue or mag or fat. Rasta boy, your body boy go suck your mama. Cause when me tell about your mother, you better suck out your worry mama. All who say the Rasta them for dead and Batman to gossip. Remember doing them blood clot.
Wow, Odyssey, what's in a larger brood like O? Squinching, what's in a O? Larger O, skinny, what's in a mark, what's in a doing, what's in a worm?
Put your hand in the wheel, bless up. Over there, so. Blood clot. Over there, so.
New York, Miami, worldwide, England. When we are done party boy, we no tweet and say sorry. You post a whole new some sound man a carry. No one some reaching on the big one finale.
People don't make them come thief for the round here, no. You hear me tell you, no? You no make sure so no judge. You no do not make them come thief the round, yeah? All who say them thief the blood class second road, put your 2 under there. Suck on the man, you not thief, you no go ahead. Put up your 2 under here, let me go.
Sentence bit. Anyway, there's a brass.
Remember this?
Well then, this way. Let me be gone. Yes, I did say we know no story. Play black blunt, gun no fling. This wicked man may kill your whole family. This way, let me be gone on the street. You will never live to tell people you do it when you're this bad man and them big gun. Have him Glock and him bazooka. Happy a murder, happy a gunshot now.
Pull up. Me Rasta come out here and talk about argument. No, me Rasta come out here and talk about argument. Listen me. Now this boy, you come make him have a problem with this and this. He come out here and he cuss and Squingy was the dad's and Squingy is the big man. Based on this, you do 24 years in our business. And none of we never kill Squingy, him dead off of natural causes. So what me for do? Make the bumbo class on run down. People don't tell me the truth. What me for do? Sit down and make the sun run down, make the man turn in a grave. All who glad that we are keep up this blood clot for 24 years, do so. Me not play no song yet, you know. I mean I talk from my heart, you know. Big up blood clot Squinch, because when they come at Tampa, yes, I'm blood clot there. Yo, all rate Squinch and rate base, is 200 over here, so right now. Right, that's a 200 a year. And New York people, I want to believe me, put on a 200 a year for the rate Squinch. Right now, New York people, if you rate Squinch, count the blood clot bill, 200 a year. All the real base of these fans, they put up here, King Addies. Me know what you do tonight. Don't try this Squinch, pussy, let me tell you this.
But that's how base of the big sound, them for no watching. Yeah, I'm just saying, yeah, man.
A long time you know this, a long time.
I'm just saying, keep the fire burning. I can't take conscious pain, yeah, man, I'm really keep the fire burning. This Sean, one of them.
Long time you know this.
Say them no bad like this, so they say.
A long time you know this.
The north, the south, the east, and the west.
Listen, King Addies.
Remember this. Me say that one a name. Them no like we and we no like them.
Them are we enemy, we not them no friend. Them no like we and we kill them. Ready?
Yes, I say. I got done do all of them, we come again.
What the Bounty Killer fans up there? Put a 200 like so. Me go play one blood clot DJ what killer look up to. Where the real rascal Shabba ranking fan them there. All the real Shabba, put up your 200, let me see them like so.
Murder.
Put your hand in the air. What is Shabba fans them there? What are there? What?
I'm not going to a circus, I'm not going to a fair. If it's straight murderation based on this, you will be there.
What are they?
Killing some fun that is never appear.
Me ask you a question now. Question. When I say Bounty, you say killer. Bounty. Bounty.
Put your legs up. Listen this, you murder boy. All 4 seasons of the year, anytime, anywhere. You kill them and no care. And they say them up here, them life disappear. Get this clear. We no fight fist to fist. We murder boy. All 4 seasons of the year, anytime, anywhere. We done them and no care. So they say them up here, your life disappear. Get this clear.
15 minutes, I play. Pull up. I play 15 minutes. I take my time. I win the round here. I take my time. I win the blood clot round here. Yeah. Big up. You already done? Bumbo clot. Me I work with my fans here now. Cause I got blood clot fans in a Tampa too. Yo, when me I come jog around here for you know, me no see King Addies, you know. Me no see blood clot King Addies, and me I support him over the years. When squinching upon him bumbo clot vacation, where thinking come? The Tampa. All the way base of this again, put a toe in the rest. Me a blood clot killer, me no busy on a Rasta boy. Well, a Rasta boy suck him mama again. Cause you don't like it. Bumbo clot, press play.
We tell them to be a sadist and afraid of people. And a long talking thing, do blood clot. Something where you say? Think of lipping and chasing blood clotting.
All who say every day, put a gun and I show them. Go there for that up.
This sadist come to kill everybody. But we respect everybody. But we better than everybody. Be a sadist can run with anybody. Cause no boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. And we can't say gun up and stand. Yes, so this is no in a bag of long talking. Kill something, kill something, kill something, kill something.
Kingpin! The gun, hey, Kingpin! The gun no you must be a shit at your boat and Nazi, you batty boy gunman. Suck your mother. All the rate base of this and say we are killed so a long time. Pussy now look back straight how we lock on off already. When the base of this fancy, remember that blood clot and this. And this, remember this, remember!
Odyssey bust the gun without license. Shot by top boy, yes, like Tyson. No farmer registration and the rifle, people stifle. Let it rise like
the man them in the dance. When do not bore your tongue. Bust a blank in the bumbo clot here, don't mix it. The man them. When none of boy can feel your bust a load of blood clot blank and that. Oh! Rasta boy, when they come out of here, chat to be a loose argument here, blood clot talk. You watch worm pants. All who say the boy, if you go watch 2 blood clot pants, they put your 2 under there like so. Put your under there, man, tell the blood clot, Rasta boy. Rasta boy, if you don't know what to say, Rasta boy.
Some you say this is it. Boy, tongue fuck, shut your little ass mouth. Mark make your hunch back up, he walk out. Fucking what?
Pull up. Alright, people. 2 more songs, alright? Me gonna play 1 song right now. I'm gonna look back for the artist and put him a road. Me I put him back a road. Drop me song. 2 more songs, me have.
Well, the world know it's based on this, the champion sound. It's Mr. Pepper, the gangster gorilla representing. You don't know represent for the maddest and the baddest sound. I'm gonna say, war man, Damien. Hey, we not take long argument. Can't this and no parliament. Based on this, he want your life like how the landlord want him rent. Posing like a ornament, we shoot them like a tournament. None of them on a real bad sound, the whole of them fraudulent. Maddy, I'm gonna say yeah. Here's a gunshot in a them mind,
Level.
in a them heart.
Kingpin, when you chat off him out, watch this. Hey, brother.
I'm to freak of these. When you hear King Addies attack, tell them move them bumbo clan. Killer for him come and lip and talk. A good representing a king art. When you see this.
Oh, look at a lighter, blink a lighter, let me see them. Every lighter for your turn, blink them. Blink them, blood clot, blink them. Blink them, blink them.
What? Yo, this base of this is skin. Turn them, me gun. Long like the gully name. Turn them, Luga from Germany, and matches and murder many son.
What are them?
Man with a gun. After return them, me eagle. And the early bird. Stop the worm.
Kitty, don't cover your time. Cause then cause answer we play 4 minutes. Let me tell you, don't cover your time. Me I play my last song. Let me tell you this. Addies don't like bass of this. Let me tell you this. That's what you see me. Me have a big up blood clot pant on the man there. See the man there? The man there respect blood clot bass of this. And me if he's a panther, one of our biggest rival in our business. And you never see my bad mind bass of this. It's a you to call me regular encourage me. You understand? So all who say me for blood clot lock off King Addies, put a 2 under there. Cause them bad mind you don't go dead. Pussy me showing a blood clot customized sound cut.
Well, this guy news can sound like a bass, so that's it.
A bad man sound, Damien Worm. Don't worry yourself doing. Lexi, Katie, you're the boss, don't worry yourself. Velmore, yeah, some boy think of Portmore, we come for level all score. I want to up pussy. Zaga, zaga, now. Listen. Yeah. Listen. I want to that sound over there, sir. King Addies not hot. From 94 you flap fool. In a Amazura scringy done that. What is your comeback? What? Worm rise the Glock 2. Shut up boss. Boy head like Chris Gilbert. Never see come see kill a boon of Friday way. Hello them over there sir. Suck Jolene pussy and King Addies get. What the God of them? What of them? We kill Addies already and we go and do it again. You know say do it again. Wait.
Yo, that was the bass Odyssey. St. Anne's. Yo, right now, I'm not gonna do too much talking. It's not time to judge. Right now, it's all about King Addies.
Easy horse. Bass Odyssey a struggle. No bias thing. Bass Odyssey is struggling. God on his shoot. Big up to all the Bass Odyssey fans. Big up. But now I fight to the down. Big up all country people. Big up yourself. But now I fight to the down. Rate to no. Love or no. I don't want Bass Odyssey to turn this in a country versus Addies. It's not gonna work like that. We love everybody in I dance. Big up our music. We come here for play for Hono. Right? So let me play some tune. Rhythm. We don't know what time now. I don't know what time now. So I'ma turn on my sound. Turn on my sound. Turn on my sound, you wanna.
Selassie, I live it every time.
Turn on.
Emmanuel live it
every time.
Addies I go kill this Odyssey anytime.
Yeah.
Yes, Odyssey them can't sleep at night. Them all a worry and pray.
Look at that. Killer B. And the
kill me come to kill. Tampa.
Soundboy. Just kill some sound and send them to the cemetery.
Oh, don't know what time now. Oh, don't know what time. Ready.
King Addies I go murder another sound boy tonight.
Get the buns, get the King Addies.
Give them in a dancehall style.
Do them. Respect for
all the dancehall fans.
All the real sugar miners. To remember sugar miners.
Kill them in a dancehall style. For all the dancehall fans. Whether them
level
rocking.
May I play a tune for the big people in I dance with no reggae music.
I know you love a King Addies fall forward.
Hey, whoa.
Mister, may I play a big people music now? Tampa.
I'm from Mr. LeBron at this sound and I burn me ganja bar.
All a New York style song.
Rhythm.
The whole of Brooklyn style song. Hey, this one is not rude boy's choice. And this sound, how you can divine. Enough dub. So we not gonna let it.
Pull up. People, a while ago me get hype. I'ma spin the little rock my have and I knock down her drink. But me in a broke pocket. Like blood clot Bass Odyssey. Here's $20. Buy a drink, say? Buy a drink. I have money in my pocket. Chode. Rip him!
Yeah.
Rip him! Rip him! Listen, I play big people music. Why?
Went away to a far land. Heard the sun sound in a England. Heard the sun sound in a New York. And when we are played, don't talk. Boy, come from New York to make some vibes. Just to keep our fans alive. But some voices sound playing we. That's not right in our book.
I know one artist this.
This is Barrington Levy, alongside the maestro, Barris Hammond. All the way, Barris Hammond.
Yes. Enough.
Barris.
Enough trouble. Lava. Sound guy, watch what you playing and where you push your nose. Addies ready to explode.
Sweet. Level.
Sweet Addies.
This is nitty gritty. Make a raise it dead now. Ready?
Playing at the dance.
Turn up.
Playing at the dance.
Nitty gritty.
I only play my Addies for love. Sweet Addies is plugging.
Some boy tonight. Addies sound all the gunman them crying for. Have mercy.
Are you ready for war again? Put one in the air. Ready?
Shot them. Sound for dead. Addies, you not see the land. Gunshot for boss up in a.
Ready?
Murders, Addies are wicked every time. Big up your face, a good friend of mine. And a large too. Rhythm Jacks here. Overget bigger, overget smaller. Alright, swell. Tell us sound go to L. Rhythm Jack Set Speed.
Tonight,
they tell you, Addies in the venue. The wicked every time. Out of mercy.
attack the kill zone.
Hear me now.
Tonight.
I hold on most then the Indian
Tonight.
Tony Mataran, New Lats, and I'm out say 90s. UK.
Vanderveer, Flatbush, Brooklyn.
Well, look up to the hill, from where some may tell this is the way of these feel. Politicians gonna melt, lace up me clocks and buckle me belt. I say come black people looking on us help. Politicians talk like a grocery and the shelf.
You see, thinking be a sad, see, all who know reggae music, you know that song here. You want to turn it up, tell them.
Coming out the ghetto with them long statement, they must. TCT gon' be
be a sad, see.
They must.
Go.
I'm out say 90s, New York. Hey, yo, she money from Atlanta, Georgia. London, Jamaica. King of this, we ain't no bullshit fellas. Man of the cartellers, fingers on the triggers. King of these, say you can't play the newborn team. In case I kill them free, make everybody see. So them dying to be king of this, me name Parla. Pull up.
You see when we reach third round, everybody that know King Addies know say we are third round sound. That's when we turn and tune. All who are listen King Addies from Babyface Mataran days, from Babyface Danny Dread days, to one in the era. Ready?
Lord have mercy, King of this sound wicked every time. I'm gonna send to Mr. Sugoi from Jaffel. Talk a thing. Aha.
Big up my nigga Nashin in the building.
And greetings to the
Big
day
up.
of all the summer sides. Whenever I'm in Jaffel, I only listen to King Addies. King Addies is the toughest sound in the world. With Tony Sassanina and Babyface and all the crew. Now big up all the deities and all the Jonas Facet. Now be the man and Tony Curtis, take it over.
Rascal, shit. None of my shit. Run the truck cause we out. And this is all for the non-stop. God knows. Max Wayne.
Oh, no, know what time now? Oh, no, know what time?
31 Sunday morning.
God knows.
I did proceed to dance. There was no sound to compete. I just heal them all and run them to Sunday school.
Back in the days when I say, hey.
King Addies just hey. There was no sound to play. Not around and no one came.
Sound clash of one down. Sound I've got nothing people can. This is the big bad of this. Tony Mataran of Dr. Lantrick West Squeeze. Lion face, tell me the case. Them sending to King Addies and off the yard, take it be fun. Them heart of the lost and body leave around and you're them. Even the mother, the father, the sister, the son. Mataran and spear none. A dead sound.
Whoa. Then
Addies, I can never stop you.
Never, never, never.
Addies, I can never stop you. Not the love Addies, but a song. Not the love Addies, but a song, sound. Not the love Addies, but a song.
You find it? Find my song. Me cannot leave the dance here and not play them song. You're mad. You're mad. Look how much beautiful girl in I place. Me nah leave on out. I pussy me love. Girl, me love. So me have to play them song here. Play that tune here, one. Tonight, what we say?
No mercy.
All who know you love pussy.
All part. King Addies say, oh girl, for this your mountain nature. Oh girl, for thy love. Oh girl.
Level. Whole day, I'm not telling a lie. We catch the same flight with BSRC. Whole day, dear man is on the phone with Kitty. I don't understand how you can be on the phone with a man all day. Joke thing. You see when me pick up my blood clot iPhone, you know what me call?
I just saw no skill there, so no. Be able to big up, Addies say, got up, Addies original, you know. Shabba say, hey, we no like no sound, you're funny, man. Addies say, Addies go kill them one, Addies say, this is a Jamaican brother, man. Shabba say, level, the girl them put on the land. Addies,
and then we do what we do.
Shot them.
Pull up. I have too much song. Them come up here, and I probably play the most bounty killer. You can play the most. Cause Addies, we have the best. This is Dennis Brown, Mad Cobra, and Bounty Killer. John!
Hold on.
Oh, somewhere around with me.
And this come again.
Joking.
Sitting here watching some boys fight themselves when they should all be thinking of
getting to know themselves. Kill me, I kill them.
While life goes on, Addies will ever stand strong. We last.
Yes, Addies in on a tune left.
No.
You know me, I do right now.
Well, sit down a wings and I look in a life and I watch as full time son what test at this and
when I say Bounty, you say killer. Bounty. Party!
When them say they win them argument and chat. If the pass them down, then now go say we come back. Platinum is at the sell non-stop. The last thing that is them
level. That tune ya, you have to play the second verse 8. Bring back in Dennis Brown. Sean!
Hey, and for the Dennis non-stop.
You say thinking bass on the scene. Then if you learn this, listen bass on the scene, listen.
Giving your heart and soul to vanity.
Learn this bass on the scene.
Makes one's life filled with pain and misery. While life goes on,
John, make up yourself. Level. Tonight, what me I gonna do with blood clot bass on the scene? What me I gonna do?
I tell them, well, 16 in a magazine, one in a the head. I'm a cock, trigger press and everything red. As it done, as so till me use it and a skull.
Them say me have one more song. That tune here, no boy can't play it like Addies. Rhythm.
How the girl them survive?
What them do?
Man called Shamu.
What them do?
This is a who? London, American, check down.
So, them this the big bad Addies.
Tampa Bay. My love for no here. You notice. Me not an idiot, you know. I know what's going on around here. Imagine BSI to come down here and play upon the people them sound and not even big them up. All who rate courtesy as when I bought this blood clot DJ in Tampa Bay, 2 in a year. Big up Poison that. Rate on your sound and beat me, brother. Yo, when me start, yo, you see next round?
Yo! Right now, yo, Super Pudgy, you see you? I have 2 people in my ears. One people say, come into my ears and they say, you're righteous. You're being biased because Bass Odyssey is your sound. The next one come and say, you're righteous, you're biased because King Addies is your sound. I am trying to find out, cameraman, shine the light in the crowd. Don't put the light on me. I want to know something. Who won the third round? I want to see a show of hands. Was it Bass Odyssey? Was it King Addies? All right. The first round was clearly King Addies. Hold on. The second round was kind of confusing. The third round was clearly King Addies. Am I correct? King Addies won the first round and the second round. I mean the third round. The second round was... Right now, this is the fourth. Yo, big man. No, I'm just going by what everybody say. Right now, it's all about... You see, this is the fourth round. 3 rounds pass. This is the fourth round. Second round was a little confusing. Right now, it's all about Bass Odyssey. Bass Odyssey, you ready?
People know me not like how they dance here road. People. Talk the truth of God love. Who win the second round? MC, you know what glasses to see that me come ask the question again. Let me tell you this. Right now, this around here, then tune for blood clot tune. Addies. Me hear you come in and talk about a union third round selector. When you play a couple nice songs, when you play some anthem, okay, nothing wrong with that. Me go show you how you play them round here. When you first round and second round, son, me show you how you play them round here. All who say, Addies, for go back to New York, put up your toe in the ear. Hey boy, me hear you come and call him Kirkesy name. Why the fuck you just know say Kirkesy son play good? Look how long me come a blood clot tamper. You can't tell me nothing about Kirkesy. You can't tell me about blood clot tamper. All who love tamper, put up your toe like some of me see them right now. Where tamper people them there? Me and play some customized song. Let me show you blood clot sound control. Press play. Press play. One to the box. Let me see what I go on with. Don't worry yourself about it. I saw you go. Kirkesy, find us something. Oh, okay. Don't worry yourself. Kirk, find out what I'm going. Don't worry yourself, Addies. Don't worry yourself. It's a mechanical fault, dog. No watch nothing. Only ready for them there, you know. Put up your gun and maybe show like so.
Ganja tea, come cross, come show them what I go on. Fuck that.
We have some cockatoo play.
Oh, mama.
We have some cockatoo play.
Oh, papa.
Stop on the ready. On the ready. On the ready. Listen.
Send King Addies go back to New York. Them come and test me, them must get locked up. Them sound they don't Rotterdam. Them shoulda know Bass Odyssey a champion. Send King Addies back to New York. Them come and Tampa a play a peer fort.
What?
Send Addies.
Next song. Next.
Blessed Guyana.
Watch it now.
Jaja.
Big up.
I say believe on this business and mind your own.
Let me show them the play song.
Leave Bass Odyssey business.
You're down for
hey. Leave Bass Odyssey alone. Leave on this business and mind your own.
Pull up. Pull up. Make me play a blood clot Bass Odyssey song now. What the country people them there? Me a different country long time. What the country people them there? All who not take the cocaine, put up your toe and let me see it like so. What the country people them there?
Boys, the tune I'm about to play is a Bass Odyssey sample. For every song, boys, I'm going to sample.
Sample!
Bass Odyssey sound.
What you going on down there? Put up the light and them in the ear like so. The one on top, sample!
This is the great Bass Odyssey out of Alexandra.
Press me again!
Boys, the tune I'm about to play is a Bass Odyssey sample.
Level! All the way at Bass Odyssey and screen to do so. We have to do this with the blood clot that's in some part of the woman. Hear me now!
This is the drive by Sadisi out of Alexandra. In the hills of St. Andrew, with them plant the ganja. Big up round my drive and round our endeavor.
All who know some me are going good, put your two on like so. All who say me yes, this are going good, two on. Hey, Addis, you look at that, drop me some of me down the blood clot. Don't you feel Addis? Don't you feel Addis?
To divide and rule, I use the rolling plan. The rolling plan. Yes, this is a fool. To let jump and overcome. Cause base.
Kingpin, come up here and cuss. Mr. Killer Bull run this one either. Why am I afraid? Afraid. Let me talk. The body's blood clot select a pass to what is a matter on. After a matter on left, none of them can blood clot all of that. And we are holding this in 24 years. All we agree with 2 and I have done up and done them.
This is so
See ya, from your see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original.
Don't be like that.
Again and again, we kill them again and again. We kill them again and again. Again and again and again and again. Bad mind, why your life here? You kill them again. You kill them again and again. You kill them again and again.
Them have a song. What you talk about? Kill them at them death row. Me a kill that bumbuckler. Me a kill that. All who say life over dead, put a two on the like so. And these go suck on the girl and go and go dead. Put up your hand and tell you, we can't put them for them. Not dead. Not dead.
Gunshot in a them marrow. And this a go dead like Junko. Them marrow. Them living like pigs and pow. We kill them and them dead row. Them boy they fuck party like a Junko.
Level. Level. Me a take me time and beat at these. Come see what I go on in a party. Me see what I go on. Me a take me time and beat at these in this. Let me tell you this. At these. You have some nice one, but you know bad and bass at this. All who say bass at this, but put your gun in a bus a blank like so. When my fans them there, put your hand in your bus a blank. When my blood clot fans them there.
Passy get ready.
My fans,
tonight
one of them.
this is on to deadly.
One of them.
Alright, Johnny.
Yo, Dubplate.
No, kill him again. Again. Best this attack again. Hey, some operator want them get.
You know why you sample tune? Let me play one sample blood clot song for you right now. This is a sample.
You know, it's all in the world documentary.
Listen to this.
I hear me off it on them filler ya. Call on them cellular, tell him them made a feeling ya. I don't the cellular, whole place carry ya. Never shot a shell ya, me fish a stack a gorilla. Hell me off it on them filler ya. Call on them cellular, tell him them made a feeling ya. I don't the cellular, whole place carry ya. Never shot a shell ya, attack them like a gorilla. Ready for them words ya, Odyssey come for murder.
Me a some bounty killer playing here. What the real bounty killer fans have there? If you're a real bounty killer, no give me no forward. When the real bounty killer forward, all real bounty killer, put up here like so. Drop me some bounty killer, talk.
Some time. Bounty killer, you need to get a shot to jump on.
People know what the bounty killer.
Men so this a kill people, no perplex, them gun hell is a city. And a nation we go down, to perplex the flex and make we get fixed.
Shut up!
All guys should get
listen.
Disrespect and make we get wild. So now we can base.
I be a bad boy me play for when we come and dance. When the man make you defend yourself. Who can defend yourself? When the light on you, turn them on. Shabba!
The recent cases of evil, no.
Shabba!
People, I love all of the gun them. Keep them shine on crisp.
Yo!
A couple shot, who be carrying in on a gun. Make a boy turn purple anytime him get it. Lord, shoot to kill and we no shoot and miss.
Voila! Maybe I'm not say easy myself to the road then. One for blood clot, one of a turban. Listen this.
Sit ya, oh carpenter, how do you do? Make them sound what they are coffee. Yeah, let me believe you.
Yeah.
Oh, this is best, this is the boom, son, we're passing through. One of this and what you meet you want to do. We jump off any talents up our shoulder. This and this said dead before this honor. We jump off any talents up our shoulder.
Wheel up. Me hear one combination play a while ago. I'm my favorite song for Dennis Brown, Mad Cobra and Bounty Killer. What the people may love and respect the song, the 200 years. So. Song a bad song, you have to give bad bumbo class song credit. But me I go play one song we don't forget. This is Sanchez, Mad Cabra, Bounty Bumbo Clad Killer. Press play.
To big bad mighty place Odyssey. Come to kill. But I get my gun for real. Not a mouse.
Level.
Oh, yeah.
Who remember that song we used to kill boy back in the 90s? Go so. Turn up.
Bass sound, come and skank with me.
Who remember?
Bass sound, won't you play for me?
Yo, Tampa.
I wanna do all the things you love and sound should do.
Tell them.
All the little things you want me to, yeah.
What the camera find them there? All the way your camera go so. What the camera find them there?
Need not
camera.
I said, well, see, I know them a place of this name at all. To them love to chat, them friend defend the wall.
Who know why you're about to kill her now? All the way about to kill her, put your hand there.
And then all hell swell, so you want to hell. Why you see?
Who why you about to kill her? Do something, me see no man. What the blood clot about to kill her? Find them there.
Papa, for the nasty, dirty ass, tell boy if he dead. Bishop must have bound and compel. Kiss mommy, baba, and this world very well. Why you test killer, you fell. Well, there's a this come for kill and not a joke, we a talk. Glamour gonna learn them with the tin woe. The killer sound boy, you be
15 minutes. Thing alright. Check it time. Big up the whole of Tampa, you know. You understand? Big up the whole of New York. Everything alright. You get me? Come and see what I go on in here, you know. Let me play one classic out of the box. This is a classic out of the box. Me I take my time and everything alright. Me I play one classic out of the box. This is Sanchez alongside Coco Team and Bill. Press play.
Been a long talking in the car right now. It's all about the wickedest combination. And I get part 1 already. And this happens to be part 2. Coco, what you say?
Classic out of the box.
Here I am. Playing with some jumping sounds again.
Love that song, yeah.
And just when they thought they could get through.
Love that song, yeah.
They said they see kill them off it true on my own.
Go now.
I tried to make the best of it alone. After everything that all we've said and done.
Hear me, no man.
They said they see you're the champion.
What?
So there's no sense pretending my heart is not rabbit. Just when they thought that they could do. And just when they thought they could stand on their own. Oh, me, so there's to kill them off them jumping crew. Cause they just can't go on without you.
Yo, Cockatoo, what you say?
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a cup. Whoa.
Let me play my DJ now. Let me play my DJ now.
Like some pain, yeah.
Let me play my DJ now.
One time, it's all out up in this place, right? Hey, yo.
One more.
Me sing, yes, and this is lock down the place. Well, a son boy and kick him in the face. Them ya Dubplate represent the every race. Check the clarity of the treble and the bass. Me sing, say, yes, and this is lock down the place. Watch out the fat girl, them a wind up them waist. Sound boy dead down, we not leave no trace. Scope man a scope how we deal with talent. From Jamaica back to Tida. Yes, and this is lock down the world, tell them a weeder.
Me a play a classic out of the blood clot box. This a song here. You're not supposed to forget that one here. When me drop that song, I want to say every light turn on. Press play.
Bass Odyssey. Why you shot like a throw in a bag? Yes, Odyssey make them get down.
Bass Odyssey sound.
Who remember that song here? Who remember that song here? Yo.
Every sound is starting.
Who Bass Odyssey wicked every time?
I'm watching every move that you make.
I feel like you are blown.
That is just a part of life's game.
Ready.
You feel some pain.
Buju Banton, I say Buju will come around, don't tell a lie. If you real Buju Banton, put your two on the there like so. Me don't want to tell a lie now when the real Jamaican them there. All who say Buju will come around, put your hand there. Cause some boy they foreign and not do not for them people not go there. Any boy not send no money back to Jamaica, you go there.
I get the boat come down in a one time. I don't want it.
Yo, that was Bass Odyssey. Don't put the light on me, cameraman. I am not important. The crowd is important. Yo, where are you?
Born ready. Born. People, you see how I'm comfortable. Relaxed. Nothing now going for bass of this, you know. The way we look dance done already. We win 3 rounds. This is the 4th. God knows. Yo. Courtesy. Me say big up your blood clot self. I can crack over and give you a pounds. Big up here, Redman. You know why me have to big up Courtesy? Because you see them a big up Squingy all night, right? Whole night them a big up Squingy. When Squingy was on his last days, who did take care of him? No Courtesy. No Courtesy. Courtesy, big up your blood clot self again. When I talk like some man this Squingy. Squingy are one of my favorite selecting in the world. I'm in a hide and talk. Bass Odyssey are one of my sound, my rate to know. But just not the selectors, yeah, not good.
King Addies.
People.
Big bad sound from them time till now. Mr. Kingpin, your air and your swagger and your killer.
All who love Squingy and in the ear.
I have to big up to the veteran. One of the baddest selector ever. Squingy. Bass Odyssey sound, you know the something go. Thank God say we are warrior. Man like Squingy a warrior. Cause if we never tough like rock stone, pagan would have tear up with flesh and bone. We glad say we a warrior.
I mean
Squingy tell him he must a warrior.
Come on.
Cause if we never street smart and know the road in a life, me would have get leather belt and bone.
Hold on. You see how Bass Odyssey a big up Courtesy for the night? I gonna use Courtesy MC and kill blood clot Bass Odyssey. Tarantula! Rent him! You choose somebody knows no one.
King Addies Hi-Fi. The whole world knows that King Addies must already be. And them pussy that go like a
tarantula.
Just for that we'll counteract them anthem. Yeah, pussy will be a Odyssey out of Alexandria.
What?
Them anthem.
Hold on, stop!
Yeah.
When I say Odyssey, you say dead. Odyssey. Odyssey. Blood clot back. Really? Here one.
King Addies Hi-Fi. The whole world knows that King Addies must already be. And them pussy they go like a film. Just for that we'll counteract them anthem.
Listen.
Yeah, pussy will be a Odyssey out of Alexandria. Tonight we are gonna kill your blood clot at Tampa. A LP, you really did one clash up, yeah. Everybody know a King Addies sound you're afraid of. And you're not taking a date with Poison Dark neither. Not even one clash and juggle alongside up. One clash.
Play blood clot back.
King Addies Hi-Fi. The whole world knows that King Addies must already be. And them pussy they go like a film. Just for that we'll counteract them anthem. Yeah, pussy will be a Odyssey out of Alexandria. Tonight we are gonna kill your blood clot at Tampa. A LP, you really did one clash up, yeah. Everybody know a King Addies sound you're afraid of. And you're not taking a date with Poison Dark neither. Not even one clash and juggle alongside up. Who no pick no fight them worse than me weather. A true you know want the truth exposed mouth yap. From the great Squingy passing on a bad selector. And DJ Mark left there goes your dub voice up. And your boss left the music got on send it up. The bread that on I wanna be Barack Obama. Fire upon a politician.
Hold on!
King Addies Hi-Fi. The whole world knows say King Addies bust that already me. And them post they are going like a for them. Just for that we are counteract them and tell. Yo, pussy will be a study say out of Alexandra. Tonight we are gonna kill your blood clot at Tampa. A LP you really did one clash up ya. Everybody know a King Addies sound you afraid of. And you not take no date with poison that neither. Not even one clash and juggle alongside up. Who no pick no fight them worse than me weather. A true you know want the truth exposed about ya. From the great screen she passing on a bad select up. And DJ Mark left there goes your dub voice up. And your boss left the music got on send it up. The bread that on I wanna be Barack Obama. Fire upon a politician them fuck up Jamaica. Democrat, Republican, PNP or Labour. We don't really give a fuck how you will come from murder. So the history of before me take this further. DJ Mark, Queen G, Glamour G and Lenny. Them are the bad selector we play upon bass and the sea. On the cup say will never kill nobody. And the world clash showing nobody bring that to it. Who know get it cause the fans them love the sound faithfully. Through the passing of a legend, my brother Squincy. And that alone did make them give no the trophy. Them no rate no worm, no Demi and Kitty nor Lexi. I hope you get the whole tune them from Bonica, Sanchez and Cocotina. Kill nobody. And since they chose to confront we, don't mention the bees. Bujo Beanie, or Bunty, or Brownsville, Bushwick, Bed-Stuy, Brinkham, Brooklyn, Biltmore, Badness, Big Gun, Sprint.
Stop! All who say bass and this for lock off, say lock off!
I'll fucking perish.
All who say them for lock off, say lock off! Listen!
Hello, hello, hello.
This is Burton Levy, Bounty Killer, and Barry Hammond.
It's Bounty Killer, Barry Hammond, Burton Levy, Vice so mellow.
Please lock up your jump and sound somewhere. The people don't want to hear you dance.
We're not having none of it.
Tonight is gonna be a pain and suffering. When you hear this quality Dubplates,
bullet and scotch, yeah.
what we need is Addies.
And what?
That's what we need. Idiot soundboy.
Hold on here.
Addies gonna murder your sound tonight.
Level. I want everybody point on bass Odyssey. Point in I can around the pop bass Odyssey. Point on bass Odyssey for me.
Gonna murder your jump and sound. You're gonna get it. Bounty Killer gonna murder your jump and sound.
King Addies, tell them boy look off. Addies you want to murder them bumbo clad. Be ready if you got done them highway.
Level. When you don't play good and the next song are going good, you have a blood clot lock off. Don't blame us. Blame your blood clot self. Hey!
Some boy you heard it real bad.
You see bass Odyssey?
Yeah. You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, didn't know your son was in danger. So much danger. Underestimating that it sound not listening good. Running off your face and now you can't find your selection.
Level. From night, me tell you say I kill me come for kill sound. Me crack a one joke, yes, but me serious as a judge. All who know say sound dead in here tonight, 209 blood clot here. You see me, I said this. You know me kill them.
Go home and kill yourself. Oh yes, George.
Well, Addies a murder sound, we no laugh with it. Sound voice and clash and them at.
Addies, a mercy please. Lexus and Mercedes, it's a special Benz.
Video man, I
don't want new lots from them.
You see me, I said this.
Sell down. They don't play like a yo. Well, all them a run up them out on the snow. Addies crew, they can't juggle like yo.
Here one woman come here for
you today. Them ever brand yo. Walk them, wanna me say walk them. Hello.
One time, I dressed him in a full suit of red like pink. Knee lime and winter fresh. This is the baddest you can get.
Bass are the last one.
Yo,
So what you think? This is King Addies. You better watch your speech, cause you will dead with this. Blowing like a breeze in a while like this. Them you gonna cease. A King Addies. You gon' pop out, them man drop a feet.
Level. Them say them are the greatest juggling sound. But Addies are juggle around bass Odyssey. Them say they master the art of war. But Addies are kill them. You see what sound? You see King
kill the bird that does them right in a bed. Anyway, well, yes, hey, if you murder sound boy, that is King Addies, your baby face old selector, and dash him in a bag.
Me can't go into my yard now. All who say bass Odyssey dead, say dead. Bass Odyssey, go into your yard, dog. Father Keith I gonna kill the one of them. 2 nights in a row not dead. 2 nights. People, them say me have one more song. You know what song I want here? Give me a garnet silk. Give me a garnet silk. Let me put the nail in my blood clot coffin. Put the nail in my coffin. I want to clear the doorway for them. Clear it. Clear out. Clear out. Here one. We ready to lock them off them dead.
Rasta vibration. Rasta vibration. Rasta vibration.
See how we clear, tell them.
Evacuate the premises. Sound boy. Oh.
Yo. Right now, I don't even know what to say. Yo, Timberland from Poison Dart. Moa, you say something.
All who say bass Odyssey lock off say blood clot lock off. All who say Addies kill them 2 hands in a year. Me no bias, let me tell you something. You see when you say bass Odyssey, you say squingy. Squingy are Poison Dart family. Me keep it real. Worm, Damien, me rate you know. Keith, me rate you. But let me tell you something. I want to lock off on a blood clot sound. King Addies is the baddest thing in the world right now. All who say King Addies is bad, 2 hands in a year right now. All who say bass Odyssey lock off, say lock off.
Yo, right now, that is not how we do it. Hold on. Cameraman, shine the light in the crowd. It's not about what I think. It's about what you think. I'm gonna go over round for round what you told me. First round, yo, calm down, brethren. First round you said King Addies. Second round you was confused. Third round you said King Addies. This was the 4th round. I want to know this particular round. Who won the 4th round? Was it Bass Odyssey? Was it King Addies? Yo. According to the rule, yo, big up Big House Entertainment. Yo, Rudy. Puss wall, Rudy. Suck your man, mama. According to the rules, there was 4 rounds played already. King Addies won the 1st round. The 2nd round was questionable, even if we say Bass Odyssey round the 2nd round. The 3rd round, you said King Addies won the 3rd round. Then you're telling me that King Addies won the 4th round. I don't know if there's a need for the tune for tune. There's obviously no need for tune for tune. All who say King Addies win the dance, 200 here right now. Yo, Dread from Adonai, where there? Dread, come here, link up. You can't lock off, Dread. Wait, right now, Bass Odyssey. Hold on. I have to be fair. No, Fire Kid. You cannot go to tune for tune unless the sound deserve it. 1st round Addies, 2nd round Bass Odyssey will give them that. Third round Addies, fourth round Addies. How the fuck you gonna go tune for tune? You can't blood clot goat. Fire Kid, shut up. No. Addies is your chance to say what the fuck you want to say. Because right now, it's 3-1.
Yo, big man, respect here. We don't want to talk too much. People, my love, no. Addies win. All of say Addies win the dance one a year. All of say Addies are going to say yes. But win. But we have to play some tune for you people. Here one go and juggle. Lock off that. Run tune here one. Anything. Anything you want to play it.
Well, check this out. People. Right now, hold on. Listen. In the rules of the clash. Yo, everybody, listen to me. In the rules, King Addies has won the clash. But right now, if you want to hear the two sounds, just go fucking mad. Because right now, hold on. You won the clash. I'm going to be fair. King Addies, yo, back off. King Addies won the first round according to the people. They definitely won the third round and they won the fourth round. The clash is over. But right now, because the two sounds is the baddest thing in the fucking world right now, I want to hear the two sounds go fucking crazy right now. No, hold on. Well, listen to me. We already know you won the clash.
Hold on, love me one. People, when on the reach here, no rule never make. Say dance can't go 1-4. No rule never put in a dance. Hold on. Our sound clash.
Dear man, I know that you know. Now watch what they do. The cameraman, people, me know everything set up, you know. Two Addies are going to world clash. The man will keep whatever hype. I be a hype one, you know. Down to the video man. Come with Addies. Everybody, we don't give a fuck. Addies can't stop with. Can't stop.
People, video man shine a light in our crowd. No bad mind thing, no bias thing. The people them say it. All who say base Odyssey dead 2-1 in a year. All who say them dead 2-1. The people them say it, and I mean that. It's not me. Here one play a tune, man. Play a song. Yeah, take too long, here one. Man, all you dead too. Play a song.
Strumming the plates with their fingers. Addies kill sounds with their songs.
This is Lauryn Hill. Who we kill?
Addies kill sound boys with this dog. Addies kill sound boys with this dog. Taking sound boys' lives with this sound. Addies kill sound boys.
Hold on. I said we kill them. Juggle some tune here one. Find some swaggy done. Yo. Big up my dog swaggy done. I Addies selector this. I'm a brother this. You see my brother here? Swaggy. You can't there all night and I say nothing. Say what a blood clot in here tonight.
I lucky them lucky. My suspension no lift yet, you know. I lucky them lucky. But Jesus Christ. Me know say that flight them back up centers must say I go long the blood clot. Shines, you have a blood clot, Daddy, De Niro, Father Ethan. The whole know that. From Brooklyn to blood clot Tampa, the whole world. Greatest sound system in the world. Yes, and the crew go and big up same way. St. Pete, bad boy them, honor. And the blood clot. Boy. Me nah lie now, I kind of feel bad so I don't get to play because I have some brand new 2013 badness. I don't get to burn this shit yet, you know? Drop song!
King Addies have gun pound ways. Sound this sound we bust off them fears. King Addies have run the place. Done the place, now sound can't violate. And King Addies have crazy machine. Yeah, killer beat.
People who want to know why Base Odyssey dead tonight.
I have to run from this city.
Tell them it's simple, listen why.
King Addies play better. We play a belly.
One to them.
Yo,
talk to them.
King Addies is here. Hey, King Addies is a sound killer. Anytime you need a sound clash. And then
yo, imagine dance done, but we still attack. Security, watch it, see. Wanna notice one thing, right? When Worm did attack, him stop, and then Damien come in and talk. Do you notice the two of them sound alike? You notice everybody from Bass Odyssey sound exactly the same. The two of the pussy them, right? Them all sit down and listen to cassettes with Squingy Mac and then try imitate the boy voice. The boy don't have the identity anymore. You see, thinking Bass Odyssey.
Boy, violate and get gunshot in the mouth. And them sound they have loud mouth. Loud them can't thump on our face and that one proud.
Too much sound.
Loud mouth.
Respect,
loud mouth like killer we a step. King Addies, yes we are so.
Bass Odyssey, it's not about world clash, it's not about that. You came down here, you underestimate the sound King Addies because you didn't know us. But next time your blood clot know something.
In our place.
Next time you know this.
That's a A1 place. So any boy feel
don't
like
underestimate the sound.
Bounty kill the general.
Hey boy.
You tell them King Addies no in and no long talking. We are with dubs and reckless in the
John.
Oh, New York, motherfucking nigga should know I'm a killer. Do I need a reason to kill? Or I need I'm a killer. Do I need a reason to kill? Or I need fucking special.
Stop. Big up Nasheen. Big up Nasheen. Hold on. I see no celebrity in the house. Big up Innocent Sound. Neil, you're there. Nasheen, you're there. Big up Blunt Posse. Father Blunt, big up. Big up all the selectors. And our soul man in the house. Courtesy. Yo, from night. Video man. We see that brother in his Addies shirt. Since the dance done. Any song you want to hear right now? Any song? Which one? You want to hear who? Play anyone you want to play. Now take requests in the night. Tune. Play some song. Play the tune. Full of song.
I think I killed the sound before.
Full of song.
Sound look good, yes, your sound look good. A sound look good, but them Dubplate not ready. Them not ready. Try to test a king, but you done they're ready.
Nasheen. I'm a brother this, so you can't bumbuckle that. That's why I couldn't put up the thing. Bass Odyssey. Big up in the house. Dillinger, big up yourself, because you're my brother. Worm, big up. Keity, big up yourself. Because not general. But request line I run right now. Like when you watch Video Music Box on BT and you call in and request a song. Me I request a song for Addies right now. More your Chronics. They don't know. That more here.
Piper, I'm gonna deal with the same speed, you know. Ease on.
Listen, I'm full of songs. They'll never know about it now.
They don't know. And I said they don't know.
Choke can't done. Choke can't done. Yo. Imagine the youth there from Bass Odyssey, this my mother, in this my girl, in this everybody. Every female in the house in this. You can't go around and tell people to suck their mother. That is a big fighting. But true, so we are hold it. And it's unity. We're not going to do him nothing. You know what I mean? You can't go around and diss people mother. Or just say it go. But here how we going to kill him. Since you want this to females, I'm going to use a female and kill him again. Shots.
Die, boy. Who not ready for we kill them? Die. King Addies with a big gun. With a big Dubplate. Murder some fool now. Bass Odyssey a fool now. Addies, pop out some time. I met them boy don't know say. Addis is in a killing mood. Them vice off tangent in a zinc fence corner. We in a country a Christiana. Say a Jimmy Cliff and start the drama. No carbon copy can kill we on ya. Them gone over Bronx a ball fi mama. 3-4 gun it still can't kill a son. Bumbo pussy rascal them a ball fi murder. Sweat a run a terrorist a they see dead in ya. Them a go die 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 die.
Look at how Worm, look how Delinchi, front of him head bleach out. I no bleach that you know. A pussy blood clot juice do it to him. You see him?
Die, Addis, kill them now. Change the formation of the clash. King Addis is back on top. Dear man like 6:32 in my cat. Me recline the chair and make him eat out me cat. It's sweet me talking a gypsy. Pull up, dear man, eat my pussy easy. Him facing me pussy like CD and mix it. Yeah, the cat trophy goes to base Odyssey.
Go. Killer Bo. Say a thing.
Boy, Kingpin, big up yourself. Flawless performance. All who said the youth go on good tonight and bass of this dead, 2 in the ear. Video man, video the people them. No question about it. I have some people, everything Addies do a beer controversy them come with. So big up that victory tonight, it's flawless. Bass of this get lock off clean. You understand? Big up the people them at Tampa. Everything good. King Addies there. Big up all who come out, come show the love and support. Big up the promoter them. Like them say a request time now. So any song you want to play, not hear one. Let's drop something.
Yo, this is Nas Escobar with the sound King Addies, Babyface, Winter Fresh, the New Lots Crew, QB from 1999.
I want to fight them, I fight that new team, yeah.
It's been a long.
But we not give up, and we not stop, and we not quit.
And this how
all who rate on these, we have 2 of them in the ear right now.
Y'all. Let's go. But I'm ready. Are y'all ready? It's going down. Don't hate IDs. Don't hate our sound.
Y'all about ready to put
drop some exclusive shit to get them.
Yo, for the 2000 King Addies, New
I feel what sound.
Babyface is wrong. I'm Black Raw.
Yeah, some people say BS on the city are killing these tonight.
All competition.
But when them see them lean up in the car over there, so what them say?
We got a sound BK that's roll. Plus we got dubs and 45s that's roll. Kill a sound boy anytime like whoa. Y'all don't even wanna come around like whoa. We do this from Miami to BK like whoa. DJs play what we say like whoa.
Big up Science, big up the Nero.
Mo like whoa. Never do a show for no dough like whoa.
Money makers, big up.
Your light stiff and no blow.
Big up the whole of New Lots. Father E2 90s, Brooklyn.
Gotta catch a back.
The whole entire New York, the whole USA.
We slay them like whoa.
Play one more song for the people. There are some exclusive sitting there, exclusive things we are playing right now. Jump on, remember.
Shiddly. I just a kill sound from the corner, so no move from on ya, cause we are dangerous.